Welcome to Learning Strategies for Speaking Skills. In this video, we will explore practical techniques and methods to help you improve your English speaking abilities. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your fluency, these strategies will guide you on your journey to becoming a confident speaker. Why are speaking skills so important? First, strong communication helps you express your ideas clearly and connect with others effectively. Second, improving your speaking builds confidence in both personal and professional settings. Third, good speaking skills give you influence to persuade and inspire others with your words. Finally, developing these skills contributes to your overall growth in career advancement and personal development. Let us explore 4 core strategies to improve your speaking skills. Strategy 1, listen actively. This means learning pronunciation and intonation patterns by listening to native speakers. Strategy 2, practice regularly. Dedicate consistent time to speaking exercises every single day. Strategy 3, speak with purpose. Focus on real conversations and meaningful communication rather than isolated exercises. Strategy 4, record and review. Identify your areas for improvement through self-assessment by recording and listening to your own voice. Let us discuss 2 essential daily practice methods. The first method is shadowing. This technique involves repeating after native speakers immediately to mimic their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation perfectly. The second method uses language apps. These applications provide speaking exercises with instant feedback and pronunciation scoring to help you track your progress. Here are 2 more effective practice methods. Method 3 is finding language partners. Search for conversation partners who can give you real-time practice and feedback on your speaking. Method 4 is self-recording. Record yourself speaking and analyze your pronunciation and overall fluency. This helps you identify specific areas that need improvement. Now let us focus on pronunciation techniques. Technique 1 uses minimal pairs. Practice sound pairs like ship and sheep to distinguish between similar sounds that are difficult for beginners. Technique 2 involves tongue twisters. Repeat challenging phrases to improve your articulation speed and clarity when speaking. Continuing with pronunciation techniques. Technique 3 focuses on stress and rhythm. Practice sentence stress patterns and natural speech rhythm to sound more like a native speaker. Technique 4 is mastering intonation patterns. Learn to use rising and falling tones correctly for questions, statements, and emphasis in your speech. Many people struggle with anxiety and fear when speaking. Let us address this with mental techniques and practical steps. Mental techniques include visualizing success before you speak, using positive self-talk to encourage yourself, and accepting mistakes as part of the learning process. Practical steps include starting with small groups instead of large audiences, preparing key talking points before speaking, and practicing in safe environments where you feel comfortable. Let us summarize the key takeaways from this lesson. First, practice daily using shadowing techniques, language apps, and conversation partners to build consistency. Second, master pronunciation through minimal pairs, tongue twisters, stress patterns, and intonation practice. Third, overcome your fear with a positive mindset and gradual exposure to speaking situations. Remember, the more you speak every day, the more you improve every day. Thank you for watching this lesson on speaking strategies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.